Hello and thanks for watching. This is Nathan with Tecmap Consulting for our first video tutorial. Today we're going to go over how to set up a new Counterparty wallet, or Counterwallet. All you're going to need is a desktop web browser, a few minutes, and possibly something to write with. Counterparty is built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain and offers the ability to manage multiple assets. Additionally, it offers a decentralized exchange, gambling, and betting. Unfortunately, for users in the United States, betting and gambling are disabled, but the other features remain very useful. Counterwallet makes setting up a new wallet very easy. Let's begin. If you're not already here, head over to www.counterwallet.co. You'll see the same page I'm on right now, and you'll want to click on this big green Create New Wallet button. The box that pops up is a 12-word passphrase. You'll want to keep this safe because this is essentially like the password to an online banking website. Anyone with access to this passphrase can move the funds inside the wallet or out and drain your account if it falls into the wrong hands. For the sake of demonstration, I'm going to allow you to see this passphrase. The safest way to store this passphrase is to write it down and place it in a safe under lock and key, but to keep this easy to watch, I'm going to copy it into a document and paste it when needed. After checking the box that you've saved the passphrase, click on Continue. The next screen is going to ask you about a quick access URL. This allows you to set up a password with a bookmark link so you can more easily go back into your wallet. The password must be entered each time to access the wallet, so this is still secure, but it's only as secure as the password you select. I won't demonstrate this right now, so go ahead and click Skip. You're now presented with a license agreement. Read this over and click Accept if you agree with the terms. Welcome to the Counterwallet. If you're at all familiar with Bitcoin, there is one thing you might recognize. Right here, you can see a typical Bitcoin wallet address. Since all of these tokens and operations performed on this platform happen on the back of the Bitcoin blockchain by adding a small portion of data to the Bitcoin transaction, all assets on the platform use a typical Bitcoin wallet address. You'll notice you can easily click on the address to select it completely and copy it with ease by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or pressing Ctrl-C on your keyboard. This address can be used to receive Bitcoin as well as any other asset that is included on the Counterwallet, including the Let's Talk Bitcoin token or the Tecmap token. It's also important to note that a small amount of Bitcoin is required to send assets within Counterparty. You can freely receive assets in Counterparty without Bitcoin, but sending requires a small amount. It is also recommended that you create a separate Counterparty address for any activity not related to Tecmap, as your wallet contents will be visible on our forum. You now have your very own Counterwallet. I recommend you keep that passphrase very safe and play around with the platform, see what it's all about, and join us on our next tutorial where we're going to go over transactions in a little bit more detail.